Does your back hurt when you sneeze? Mine does. Recently, the past 3 to 5 years, every time I sneeze, my back hurts and I can feel it coming, right? Every time I sneeze, I have to mentally prepare myself. My back would spasm and then I would feel it all the way down to my spine and it hurts. When I was younger, I could sneeze 5 to 10 times without even flinching, no issues, no problem. Does this come with age? Is this what happens when you get older? If this happens to you and you do experience this, please comment down below and let me know so I don't feel like I'm the only one